to our, they told me, come down, and there's, wow, no crap, look at this. Gotta be careful, it's wet, folks. And wow, this is a unbelievable. Flip-flops are not the proper way to be walking down here, folks. Last thing we need is to end the tour with me just flipping down. Wow. Man, these are some hell of a rocks. I'm going to have a great time climbing back. Look at this. Grab a hold of this. Whoa. Jeez. It's wet. It's a rainforest. Now this is effed. Mud. There's snakes down here, you know. That's all I need to do is get bitten by a snake. Crap, I hear snakes. Oh. Brutenstein. Steve Arvey. Wow. Woo! You feel the mist all the way over here. Man. Man, is this nice. You can go swimming right in here too.